Jobs likely to be replaced? Let's get started. What jobs might artificial intelligence take over? Why could this happen? Data entry clerks. AI can process and organize large volumes of data with speed and accuracy, making manual data entry redundant. If I'm a data entry clerk, I should pursue knowledge in fields like data analytics or business intelligence. I can transition into positions that involve interpreting and visualizing meaningful insights from data. Telemarketers. AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants can handle customer outreach more efficiently, reducing the demand for traditional telemarketing roles. If I'm a telemarketer, I should explore courses like digital marketing and social media management. I can transition into positions that focus on strategy and creativity that AI cannot replicate. Cashiers. Self-checkout systems and automated payment solutions are replacing traditional cashier roles. If I'm a cashier, I can explore fields such as retail management and business administration. I can transition from routine tasks to positions that involve managing operations and enhancing customer experience. Receptionists. Virtual assistants and automated phone systems can schedule appointments and handle inquiries. If I'm a receptionist, I should explore studies in office administration or management. I can transition into responsibilities that require strategic planning, oversight, and a personal touch. Bank tellers. Digital banking and automatic teller machines have reduced the need for in-branch services. The role of bank tellers is becoming less central in day-to-day operations. If I'm a bank teller, I should gain expertise through courses in financial planning or investment management. I can unlock opportunities to provide clients with tailored guidance, where human insight and empathy continue to be indispensable. Travel agents. AI-driven booking platforms provide personalized travel recommendations and seamless reservation options. If I'm a travel agent, I should focus on creating unique travel experiences that cater to niche markets or offer memorable journeys. By specializing in areas like experiential travel, I can deliver value that technology cannot match. Warehouse workers. Robots can efficiently pick, pack and move inventory in warehouses. They can streamline processes. However, they also reduce the demand for traditional warehouse roles. If I'm a warehouse worker, I should pursue courses in supply chain management or logistics. They can equip me with the skills needed. I can transition into areas such as logistics coordination and supply chain planning. Inventory managers. AI systems can monitor stock levels precisely and forecast demand accurately. If I'm an inventory manager, I can explore fields such as procurement or supply chain management. Transitioning into roles like procurement specialist allows me to focus on fostering supplier relationships and negotiating terms. Couriers and delivery drivers. Drones and autonomous vehicles are being developed for deliveries. These innovations are reshaping how goods are transported, and signaling a shift to automation. If I work in a courier, I should explore positions that emphasize coordinating delivery systems and overseeing efficient operations. They can cover path optimization, system management, and logistics planning. Proofreaders. AI tools can detect grammar and syntax errors with high accuracy. This technological progress is automating many of its traditional tasks. If I'm a proofreader, I should enhance my skill set by delving into advanced editing and creative writing. These areas pave the way to transition into roles like content editing with refining style, tone, and narrative flow. Assembly line workers. Robots can perform repetitive manufacturing tasks efficiently. If I'm an assembly line worker, I should explore fields such as robotics and industrial automation. By gaining expertise in these areas, I can upskill and focus on overseeing and maintaining the systems. Paralegals. AI can review legal documents and perform research with unparalleled speed and precision. If I'm a paralegal, I should pursue legal studies or business law. I can transition to a lawyer because ethical judgment, strategic reasoning, and argumentation remain essential. These human qualities are beyond the reach of AI. Market researchers. AI can analyze vast consumer data sets and predict trends with extraordinary accuracy. If I'm a market researcher, I should learn marketing strategy and consumer behavior. It can help developing creative campaigns that resonate with target audiences. These areas allow me to contribute insights and ideas that go beyond data analytics. Insurance underwriters. AI advancements are transforming the insurance industry. They're able to assess risks and calculate premiums with exceptional efficiency and precision. If I'm an insurance underwriter, I can pursue fields such as risk management or actuarial science. Having a deeper understanding of complex risks and financial modeling, I can interpret data, manage risk portfolios, and provide insights. Retail sales associates. AI-powered kiosks and online shopping platforms are gradually reducing the demand for traditional in-store sales roles. If I'm a retail sales associate, I should gain expertise in online retail operations, such as managing digital storefronts, customer engagement, and data-driven marketing strategies. Photo editors. AI-powered tools have revolutionized image editing by automating enhancements and corrections with remarkable precision. If I'm a photo editor, I can learn photography and visual arts. By focusing on creative photography, I can transition into roles that emphasize visual storytelling. Translators. AI translation tools can handle routine language conversions quickly and accurately. These developments are reducing the demand for traditional text-based translation roles. If I'm a translator, I can study localization or cultural studies to pave the way to becoming a localization specialist. I can transition to a localization specialist and bring added depth and cultural relevance to content. Accountants. AI can automate bookkeeping and tax calculations with exceptional speed and precision. If I'm an accountant, I can focus on financial analysis and strategic decision-making. I should pursue expertise in corporate finance for analyzing complex financial scenarios and contributing to long-term organizational growth. As AI continues to reshape industries, it is essential to approach its impact with a proactive and forward-thinking attitude. Rather than fearing job displacement, we should focus on lifelong learning, upskilling, and exploring new opportunities that leverage human creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence.